Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. This saves time and prevents errors. Open the updated Capitec app and authenticate with fingerprint, Face ID, or your PIN. Once logged in, tap the wallet or profile icon. This brings you to settings where limits live. Make sure your linked card is active and you can view recent transactions because the app recalculates available limits in real time. If you can't access settings, check network and app version before proceeding. This avoids interrupted changes. Now go to Menu, then Settings, and choose Transaction Limits or Card Controls. Tap the specific limit you need to change, daily spending, per transaction, or ATM withdrawal, and enter the new amount using digits for clarity. The app prompts re-authentication. Confirm with PIN or biometric. Once done, the system validates the request against account rules and immediate limits. Make sure to read any warning messages. Those explain why certain amounts might be blocked or need additional verification. Finish by reviewing the updated limits on screen and tapping Save or Confirm. The app shows a success message and timestamp. Make a small test purchase or balance check to verify the change applied. Once confirmed, log out and back in to force a sync across devices. If the change fails, troubleshoot. Update the app, clear the app cache, restart your phone, and retry. If problems persist, contact Capitec support with screenshots and your ID. This speeds resolution and explains any bank-side restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.